Hi and welcome everyone to a new process video here at Hip Kit Club. Today I'll be working with the February kits, the main kit, the cardstock kit and the embellishment kit. And I'm very happy to be back here at Hip Kit Club. My name is Daniela and I'm happy to show you my very first layout created for the team. So, as you can see, I will start my layout with a white cardstock background, and I want to cut off the edges so that I can place it on this beautiful pattern paper from the main kit. And I also want to have a little frame, and I'm going for one of those beautiful cardstock patterns from the cardstock kit. And this way I have a nice display for my layout. So this is the first step I take with most of my pages, and afterwards the fun can start, and I like to do all the embellishments in freestyle. So I just thought of a basic color scheme. This time it's light pink and purple or light blue. So I'm going for different papers here, and I just want to rip them so that I have more texture and more dimension on my page. And this is what I do easily, and it's kind of messy, but I really like this style. Well, I've been on the Hip Kit Club team before, I'm happy to be returning now. I had the most fun 2 years when I have been on the team before, and I'm really looking forward to this new period. And it's a pleasure working with the products, and I'm happy to be sharing my work here. And whenever you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll be happy to answer in the comments, and to get into communication with a big community here. So as you can see, I tried different versions. First of all, I thought maybe I want to add a little piece from the Pocket Pages kit, but then I felt it might be too much pink, so I just want to have these two pattern papers here. And now I take a look at those chipboard pieces from the embellishment kit, and as you can see, I just start placing them around my picture. So actually I'm working with a picture of our dog. She's a chocolate lab called Julie, which is July in English. And I have so many fun photos, and really looking forward to be working with some of them. So fun memories. As the kids are growing older, I tend to take more pictures of the dog. It seems to be normal. I recognize that a lot of people are doing this. So, yes, you can see I have picked various kinds of frames here, and I love how the colors go together perfectly. They are kind of how do you say in English, pale and not that strong colors, but I really like it this way because it gives the whole page a soft touch. And also we have a lot of dimension here because of the different layers. One layer, of course, is the cardstock. Then we have the paper backing the cardstock, and of course the ripped pattern papers with tiered edges, and then we have those frames which add a lot of dimension as well, and then the picture on top of it. So this is the basic design, and after adhering all those chipboard frames, I can start embellishing everything, and that is what I love so much about Hip Kit Club. We have so many different embellishments. Even if you only purchase the main kit, you always have a variety of different embellishments to work with. For example, this paper clip, those are included in the main kit in February, and I love those because it's a different texture, and yeah, it adds a nice detail. So now I'm working with those die cut rolled flowers included in the main kit, and I just use a common brush to wind the piece around it a little bit so that I can roll up my flower easily, and as you can see, it's a fun thing to do, just rolling it up, and then we have a pretty little flower, and so I show you in a second. You can see that you can just fold the petals a little bit to bring it in shape, and I really love those pieces because it's something special. It adds a lot of dimension, and it's a very special shape here. It works perfectly on a lot of different projects, and also for home decor, for example, you can use those flowers in a lot of different ways. So now I'm working with those puffy stickers, and also another chipboard piece, and I'm flipping through my die cuts, which come in all the kits and which can be used in so many different ways, and we always have the perfect embellishments at hand. So if you're thinking about getting one of the gorgeous kits, I really recommend you subscribing to the club, because you get a lot of interesting discounts, and also each main kit is $5 less than the normal purchase, so it might be a nice gift or something you would like to have as a treat for yourself. Okay, another fun item here are those beautiful puffy alphabet stickers. I really love the color, and I also like combining different types of alphas, so I'm going for the bigger ones, which we have included in our main kit. And I also want to use some of the smaller ones, which come in the embellishment kit in 2 different colors, containing a little ombre effect, which are so pretty. I really love those. So I'm going for some pink ones and also for the blue ones, and I think this is a really nice color scheme we have in the kits, and you can combine like the mint color pieces and those pretty pink and purple ones perfectly. So my title is "You Are So Cute." You see that I had to arrange my alphas a few times, but it's an easy thing to do, as you can just rearrange them on the cardstock without doing any harm, and this gives you some flexibility on your projects. Alright, so now another a very beautiful thing that comes in the kit are those shimmery glitter hearts, mini puffy shape stickers and glittery stickers, and I think that we have so many different embellishments here now, which makes the page really interesting, and that's always something that I want to do on my pages. So just add a little more journaling and then my date stamp, and this is my layout, how it turned out. I really love it, and I would be happy if you like it too. So let me know what you think and have fun using your kits. See you soon here on the Hip Kit Club channel, and yeah, thanks so much for watching. Take care, bye bye.